Director, Rainbow Radio International suni ye mo akwaba. Na bibi aboko de.
Adumo.
Yeah, they who I say. Where the yanti asamo de the incident of emofra no a one subonto boat no akoda ne abutu me mu nipa dunum afiri mu no mote ne say say ne yaye.
Yeah, I'm calling on Saturday. That was 12 o'clock. 2 o'clock. And I call say Ubimu Kwaye ama boat na ako Kapsada Mankofu. So as NADMO director for the region, I did see them, so I formed my team and a movie call. Airport is my ampa. From Okuma to Okuma is Krachi West, Abugama is Krachi East. Me, Oti Region. So Governor crossing from Okuma, Eba, Abugama, Aye. I want to say, Mammy, phone in California, Echo, Aye, Omuwa, Yenasi. So, Kodamu, Kumu, and also Abbott Granny Boots, no. Any Pennyformian son. And in the process of Moba, your son should know a crown, boots no. A gun of the palm crop. It doesn't matter how Nielsen of the water, matter how it is, no, into the boom. And the Ubi our son should know a crown. Or say a container no eton so. And in our contribute no a contribute no say over picky container on tsunami. And in the all container are in a bone. So now the boat is controlling itself. And a two more FM a two boat moving so that is the story but you know if I quite be able to say it me you body na but bakuna ya ntimi anyi sada no ade chia so yatimi ahun body no nti ya edi ko krachi mo na edi aba baba we not move they work alone you need police for echo any navy for nti obi a edi ne advice or edi buy so that is the story on ground.
Yeah. That canoe no aye de ye paddle ni bia de ye didua ana eka ni bia enti omo paddle sa edi nsuo eba boat num enti omo container omo de sesa nsuo no efiri mu
yeah
ana wo se container ni to nsuo num
yeah so obi a wo kin boat no contribute no say o pick container no nti eyi no bon nsuo no
enti ono de wo twi boat no yes o kofa container na yi ni tu nsuo num
boat no I know boat ya dia but one good think middle ho from top no ho di am France no free
okay
and top from your control machine no the one container no fast
okay
so operator the key container no nsuo na ni but okay ati and see on the previous offer container na ayi na bonchi nti boat no gata no control ni ho eto omo ni na bonchi no
wow enti ekopimu bibi anasa eye dai
mbacho manti ukosi
boat na ekopimu bibi wo nsuo no mu ana ayam hihie na
because nya all boat e contribute no ayi na bonchi no the boat no nkasa no enye boat ketia eye commercial boat
okay
eye private boat amudi omo nsuo adwuma no
okay
enti wo ba nsuo na no say boat ri ebi mu so ebi mu ye nkitin ne bi nkitin ne bi amudi ye nsuo adwuma
okay wow enti obi survive wom
obi survive
okay nipa hin na survive ye
nipa for survive
ni anya nti
nipa fight yeah rough fight me survive
ya said dia na wo twi boat no kran so no ye 11-year-old boy
nya twi boat no so wie
ya say wo 11 years
11 years
na mo friend no omo so omo kwa ayie no omo ko bi ana say omo parents na akọ no omo tin omo what was their business
omo parents e wa ye na si already nti o ye say omo awie omo so Omawi of Fin, also almost among inquiry now. That's the story. But in all, so adult, you know, and inform you know, I will go to me. And then sample 58 years, my man, any 37, now having any Bakuya, so 18 years. It's in inform, sir. After I will go to me, a common. But inform you now, so every when I'm going to think 9 years, 10 years, maybe some quite 12 years, almost 5 Nigeria.
Now, baby, incident in this year, how deep is the place? How deep?
About 12 feet.
Wow. And baby, you see, you to ensure no. Na distance womb.
Distance in Chedam. I do a quantity. I do 5 minutes on my account. I have Abugame, any Kumantum, Abumba. Yes, you catch him also Abumba no Tomuntum. And you know, within the other side, with young the other village. Like 5 minutes, I waiting at you.
Oh, okay. Now, one need life jacket to be a woman shed you can see, you know, what aroma?
Life jacket issue here. Life jacket, communities, they have a life jacket. But who concern what? I continue saying this. Who concern what? I had the use of the life jacket or private boots, you know. Any idea, I'm going to use it because I'm going to say, they have the experience, this kind of things, you know. They will not put it on. If they have it, they will not even put it on. So, it's sad.
Life jacket and my say household be a will be, and I say once you know, and to do an hour cross one, no, I should be the across, we are no, I will go. To say,
for commercial boats, the life jacket will go to me.
Okay.
But private individual, yet you chairman, whether the public be hanging a few or the course, or their court, but in the it's also the ones who act. A perfect diameter to exchange on a good from the person is not comfortable or the life jacket between him, yes, 8 man. And the life jacket means you are not which is Yamamuka, we can't go to feet. Because we have so much money, you cannot put to them, no, they can't put it on and do the fishing. Because they don't know so these are some of the reasons. So they don't want to be using the life jacket.
Now, how often an incident to be say AC won't you know so?
This particular year we experienced a lot. But I can say that this is the great number. Oti Region. But the report yet me speak here and I yet me observe when we say Nipa Bakwaku consumer, Nipa Mizu so this particular year, I recording more like 27 going. Regional. So these are some of the challenges that we have. And the this way of Kotabo Mo from Functionary instead of over chain and over back now, over 40 over 2 you now training. So a idea hard and Oti Region in particular, instructor here. About 5 of our constituency are island communities are more. The Obab the Akuye, Krachi is Krachi Chumbu, Krachi, in contact 5 of our constituencies. And Kura dance union, a Kura, a war idle community, a bench union article. They are more than 120. And these are the towns that I'm saying. But if you count cottage, people change Accra on only the year in Ban, no wish Accra be a year in Mojumano. So Uber guys are cottage in Usaka. The cottage alone is more than 300. obi won na France here ni ire so omo ye chimu juma no ube hu omo maybe 1 year 2 years maybe I know I move because on that area no I move to another location nti we just go to village be in there 3 days we go on no nipa na to everywhere ensure around the Oti region nti so much juma no here I said that is the juma juma bi region nso to be so we normally face this challenge. But if there will be a measure, not more disaster management is not one organization based on that. We have disaster management committee and the police are part, the fire is part, other agencies are also part, NGOs are part, volunteer groups are part of it. So we all come together and see how we can, at least, we can't solve it all, but to mitigate it, reduce the risk of a war.
Na wadaruma ensuo ni bi wo ha yentimi nya bridges entoto so.
Omeja a bridge atoso ana.
Aye.
Oti say we bridge more than 1,000. So the bridge you Oti Region has because of more than 1,000. We are doing more than 1,000 over here. Because I said it, more than 100 communities are communities where communities can say the take and smaller. They are all on the river. So talking about the bridge is not a solution alone. I cannot say that it's a solution. The means education will go more how the people should understand the use of the life jacket. You know, because one day you can even take you can travel and come to Dambai, crossing to the other side of Dambai, to the other part of the northern part of Dambai. What's the name?
Ghana.
East. Obi initial jacket, no attention say a new do on share. Obi call jacket one share. We need both owners. But sometimes we put serious measures on the both owners. So make sure things for financial jacket and so what to monsieur. On the can say yes, sir. And for assembly members, all of us, and media to help all of us educate people to understand the use of the life jacket.
So they are available or a woho obia person sha obenya bi ahye.
Hello.
Now me busa say the life jackets are available. Obi or person or she bibi obenya bi ahye.
Life jacket, whether it's available.
Yes, I was asking if you can confirm to us that indeed the life jackets are available and obi biara or person or shebino obenya bi ahye.
The commercial boats, maybe I can truly give you the assurance. Commercial boats are maritime authority are demarcating online. There also are more rules and regulations on based with all the commercial boats. No,
but the commercial boats no are not enough to ferry them. The commercial boats are not enough. In the end, one of the private ones in the best support. Yeah, no.
Yeah, I'm not going to individuals with life jackets. Some individuals also have.
And the other extended life jackets to individuals and also one boat,
It's not that they don't have totally, and I'm saying that they have. NGOs are giving, not more are distributing, and a lot of life jackets in Gopore, but their usage, are they ready to use it? That is the main issue here. Are they ready to use it?
Senior, yeah, that's it. Bibiania, you best have baby. Yeah, who's why you busy cacrantino? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Ora, Kwabena Foster, Jere Eye, Oti Regional Director of NADMU, no artist here, and Nana and Commano. Alan Cash Lodge and Travel Service, Edu, Ebi 2 Quine.